how it goes. I got the Splat blue hair dye. The Arctic Fox stuff is jumped straight from the pit of hell. Don't even buy it. So I'm changing the color. I was going to do green, but Walmart decided to not have it or any other color. So we're going to do blue. Let's see how it goes. Ah, it's cold. Hopefully it will stay on.
That's what she said.
So this one is Midnight Azure.
Wait, what color is it?
Midnight Azure. So it's basically Azure.
Midnight blue.
Yeah.
Oh boy, fun times.
At least this dye is reliable.
Yeah, Arctic Fox is junk. I don't know what happened.
Now Sarah had the 30-day Splat, and hers is still going strong.
Yeah, Splat
This is the permanent one.
Splat is always reliable. Arctic Fox feels like you're just playing slime in your hair. You're just playing with slime.
Last time we tried it, it didn't work, and I completely forgot until one of your videos had it, and then we're like,
the
oh.
last video a few days ago, and then
Well, no, there was one before that. Remember?
yeah, the orange. That was like a year ago.
Right.
You know?
So I guess you're.
I kind of forgot. You know what I mean? And then they
Yeah.
have that whole new rose color, and I was like, oh, that's going to be beautiful and nice, and no, it wasn't. It looked like an orange creamsicle.
It was nice for
One day.
a couple of hours.
Well, I slept in it, and
It looks kind of pretty in the front of your hair.
yeah, it looked nice in the front, but in the back and everywhere else, it looked just splotchy and weird and junky. So I have to change it now.
On the bright side, you already got the bleaching job done.
Yeah, bleach is done. Sorry, Haley. I had to go with another color. Yours didn't work out for me.
Okay, hi YouTube.
Yeah. How does it look right now?
So far, so good.
Yeah. Huh?
I said, I sure hope we don't regret only buying one bottle.
Did you only get one bottle?
Yeah.
Usually that's what I've done is one. Hasn't been a mistake of my life. Because I always ever done one, because my hair has always been so short. I bought 2 bottles and nothing happened. I'm just I wasted $25 on what? Nothing.
Less for more instead of more for
I'm gonna
less.
do it to Haley's hair. Give the video a big thumbs up if you want Haley's hair to be colored with the Arctic Fox and see how that goes for her hair. The hair color smells good.
Yeah.
Smells like
Those
berries.
smell rather decent.
Yeah, it smells like berries.
Yeah, Splat itself smells good. That's
Yeah.
the big difference between Splat and other hair dyes. It actually smells good.
Right? Exactly. This one smells so good. The Arctic Fox one smelled really fake and, I don't know, gross.
It's looking really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, that's good. Hopefully it will stay because I didn't bleach it super recently. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, I mean, you already had bleached color, so.
Your hair is already light, and that one doesn't.
Well, yeah, it's
Yeah.
already stripped down to nothing.
Yeah,
So.
pretty much. I was just hoping that the hair color would grab on still after a while of because there's been a space between bleaching and coloring.
Well, actually, bleaching causes your hair to not grab on as good because of the fact that it makes your hair more porous.
Yeah.
So it's actually better for you to wait. So it's probably going to take better this time than it would if you were to bleach it immediately.
I hope so.
Because your hair has had a little bit of time to kind of regain some natural oils.
It feels good.
You know, my hair used to be long, right? So it used to be in the middle of my back.
Oh wow.
And I remember I dyed it black once.
Oh wow.
And there's nothing more satisfying than your hair texture after you just dye it.
Right.
And then the next day everything goes down.
Huh. Styling and weather.
That one day afterwards
Yeah.
is fantastic.
That's what happens when I dye my hair black or with any box color. It feels so great at first. The next day it's what? Where did that go? I don't know what happened. I think it's because of all the conditioners that are in the products.
And if you're going to be doing a review on this, I'll tell you right now, this hair dye it lasts quite a while.
Oh yeah.
Because there's still a quarter of it left, and you're just about cooped up. You want me to do your eyebrows?
Oh, I'm okay.
Sure.
I want to see an eye dog.
No, just a courtesy. I have no problem. I'll go ahead and just do a quick wipe on one. And you can see if you like it.
Do you love it?
It's looking really good.
You're about as gooped up as I can get it. How's it feel? Do you feel like any dry spots anymore?
Oh, no.
I missed?
It feels all even to me.
Most of you usually leave in, what, about 45 minutes?
Yeah, I always leave it in for like about an hour, yeah. There we go, it looks so
Nailed it.
beautiful.
That was like a solid execution.
Well, this is how the color came out. It's like an ombre effect. You can see the purple right here. Then it goes to like a little bit darker right here and then light at the bottom. I didn't even have to buy the ombre kit, which is amazing. It did it all by itself. I love the way it turned out and it's just so awesome. I want to thank Ashley and Nick for making this possible. I like to thank Ashley for getting the color and then Nick for doing the color, because without them my hair would look like a disaster for like I don't even know how long. I'm glad that the color caught on to the hair and it came out really nice and it feels really soft and amazing, and I need to style it a little bit. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed the video, if you love the blue hair, and if you like Pedro, give it a huge thumbs up. Also, remember, vote for Pedro.
If you vote for me, all of your wildest dreams will come true.
While you're here, why not subscribe? It's free. By pressing that notification bell, YouTube will be notified when the newest, latest videos are posted every Wednesday and Saturday, so please be on the lookout for those uploads. Follow me on all my social media so that way you can be notified when a video is posted and with whatever I'm doing in case you're interested, so go check me out over there. I have a ton of affiliate links and coupon codes so that way you can get some great steals and deals. I'm going to link the hair color down below in case you want to try it out for yourself. Just remember, it'll make your wildest dreams come true. It's amazing. I love it so much. I have my Avon shop available so that way you can get all the essential products that you need from the comfort of your own home. So go check out the link down below. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone. Don't forget, vote for Pedro 2020.